Ever since I bought my boat, I've been irritated by one feature. All the metal hardware is either bronze or brass fitted with silicon bronze screws. This traditional hardware is a perfect match for a wooden boat. But the aesthetic is ruined by one stainless steel eye bolt. I found a bronze replacement online which exactly matched the other bronze eye bolts. I live in the UK but had to order it from Australia to get it at a sensible price. Once I had removed the stainless steel eye bolt, I discovered that no bedding compound had been used to prevent water ingress. Some butyl putty tape was needed. I cleaned the decking surface and the new bronze eye bolt with some denatured alcohol. There are various types of butyl tape. This is butyl tape putty. It's ideal for use with deck fittings to prevent water ingress. It's a flexible, waterproof sealant that can withstand exposure to UV rays, salt water and temperature changes. The putty remains pliable over time, allowing for movement without compromising the seal. It's also easily removed should you want to update fittings at some point in the future. Make sure you clean your hands before applying the butyl tape to prevent dirty fingers contaminating the putty. The bolt is longer than I need, so I'll shorten it at some point with a hacksaw. After refitting the eye bolt, I removed the excess putty that had been squeezed out by compression. I then refitted the toughnell block. That's another job done. See you next time.